I promised students I'm going to record a video on function operations for you all. So I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, now we have to, let's see. All right, we have to add f plus g of x. So there's a plus sign in the middle that just makes we're going to take f of x, which is x squared plus 1, and add 5 minus x. So we have an x squared. We're just combining like terms here. There's no other x squared, so that's going to stay x squared. We have a minus x. There's no other x terms, so that's going to stay minus x. But we can combine 5 plus 1 into positive 6. X squared minus x plus 6. That's it. Okay, now if we have nothing in between, it's just fg of x. We're going to multiply x plus 2 times x minus 4. So x plus 2 times x minus 4. Now I'm going to set up a box here. Put x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 4, x minus 4. So x times x gives us x squared. Negative 4 times x gives us negative 4x. 2 times x gives us 2x. And negative 4 times 2 gives us negative 8. So we always have our like terms in opposite boxes here. It's going to be x squared. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2x, and then we have a negative 8. So x squared minus 2x minus 8. All right, now we have this division problem. So we have f of x divided by g of x. We're going to take f of x, x to the 4, minus x to the 3rd, plus x squared, divided by, oh, I got kicked out. I thought that might happen. And we want to divide by negative x squared. So when we're dividing a trinomial by a monomial, 3 terms by 1 term, we want to break it up into 3 different parts. So first we're going to take x to the 4 divided by negative x squared. And we're just going to do 4 minus 2, so that would be negative x to the 2nd. Now we just have to figure out if it's a positive x or a negative x. So we're going to take negative x to the 3rd divided by negative x squared. 2 negatives make a positive, and 3 minus 2 is just x to the 1 or just x. So we don't have to figure out the last one because the only one that's going to work is the 3rd one down. Okay, right now we need to do r times s. So 2 square root of x times square root of x, which would be 2 times the square root of x squared, and the square root of x squared is just x, so that's just 2x. Basically, the square root signs just cancel out, and we're left with x, what's inside. So we're going to put 4 in for x, and that would equal 8. Now we want to do r divided by s. So 2 square root of x divided by square root of x. The x's just cancel out. Now there's no x's, it's always going to be 2. It doesn't matter if there's a 3 because the x's cancel out. So here we're going to do h plus k of 2. So h plus k would be x squared plus 1 plus x minus 2, which is going to be x squared plus x, and then 1 plus negative 2 would be minus 1. So if we put 2 in there, 2 squared plus 2 minus 1. 2 squared is 4, plus 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So that's why this first answer is 5. All right, now we're going to do h minus k of 3. So x squared plus 1 minus the quantity x minus 2. We need parentheses here. So we have x squared plus 1 minus x plus 2. Got to switch those signs. Now we have x squared minus x plus 3. So if we put 3 in there, that would be 3 squared minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancels out, and 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay, now we also have 3 times h of 2. So h of 2 would be 2 squared plus 1, and that's 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now we need to add that to 2 times k of 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So 15 plus 2 gives us 17. One more slide we'll do for this video is what is the domain of g divided by f of x. So g is 1 divided by f is x. Now we can't divide by 0, so x cannot equal 0. Now if it's f divided by g, that's x divided by 1, which is just x. Now x can be any number, any real number. We'll learn about imaginary numbers later in Algebra 2. But x can literally, any number you can think of for now would work for x. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.